Let's see, what is a Facebook group? Groups are meant to be a close circle of people who share and keep in touch on Facebook. So if you want people just to meet and share ideas, share concepts, share opinion and so on, then you're going to create a group, or you're going to join a group where people are talking about a topic that you're interested in. Let's say that you are looking for an easy way to keep in touch with a small group of friends, like a book club or a football team and so on. Rather than sharing with each friend separately, you could use a Facebook group. It is easy to join an existing group or even to create your own. Groups make it easy for everyone to share with one another. For example, members of a group can notify other members about upcoming events, or even plan future events, seminars, webinars, and meetings. Share posts, videos, and photos with other members. People tend to create them around things like topics, books, so you can create a book club, their business, like an insider club, or to sell items locally, or for exclusive membership site. Or support groups, like let's say that you have a software, you develop a software, you're selling a software, and you want a member to be supported somehow, you create a Facebook group where you're going to provide support. Let's see which types of groups. First of all, you have to know that there are 3 types of groups on Facebook, depending on the group's privacy settings. This is the only difference between groups, the privacy settings. There are open groups, which means that anyone can view the group, its members, and their posts. Closed. Anyone can view the group and its members, but only members can see group posts. So only those that are member of a group can see a post of a closed one. Then there is a secret one, which is for members that can't see the group or any of its information. People who are not members won't even be able to see that the group exists. You can go to Facebook and you can find also this table where you can understand what is an open group, what is a closed group, what is a secret group, and then decide for which one you have to go. Let's say you want to run a business, then you have to think about which one you want to have. You may have decided for a closed one because you want your members to get notified about something related to your business. You want to support them or provide new promotions and so on. And then, of course, you want people to be in a closed group. But you also want not to be secret because you want other people from outside to see this, so they say, oh, I would like to join this group because maybe interested, because I have the ability to be in, because I have purchased a product which is related to topic in this group and so on. Okay, if you really want to create a very exclusive group, then you're gonna create a secret group where you give the privileges to your customers to see this amazing support in a group where you're sharing a lot of content and support, which is available only for them.